Yanandam, let's start the power manifestation session. Let's sit straight. Remember Paramashiva in third eye. And let's start with the Sadguru Vandanam. Nityanandam Paramasukadam Kevalam Jnanamurtim Dvandvatītam Gagadam Tamasyavilaksham Ekam Nityam Vimalamachlam Sarvari Sakshibhutam Bhavatītam Trigunarahitam Sadgurum Tam Namami. Nityanandam, such a beautiful space Bhagavan has given. Let's start the power manifestation with the first social security. Please read the security. And disclaimers. What is power manifestation? Power manifestation is nothing but a cognitive shift that can infuse powerfulness into any action or state that we are in. It raises the frequency of our body and mind to ultimate powerfulness, Turyatita. Bhagavan beautifully says again and again, living in the space of aham, again and again understanding that how we exist matter. It's $1 million when you understand you live as consciousness, and it has to be done repeatedly than any other degree, any other program or anything else that you have experienced in the past few years. The space that you are, Paramashiva, is going to make you manifest all your abundance, all your reality, unless you understand the higher reality. The cognitive shift that you seek only will become reality, and more living in that Turiya state will lead to Turyatita state, the heightened intelligence which matures into the consciousness. Who is Paramashiva? Paramashiva is Yomuha, beyond the form and formless. Avyakta, the unmanifest, and Vyakta, the manifest. He performs the Panchakritya, Srishti, Sthiti, Samhara, Trubhava, Anu, and Anugraha. Satyojata phase. Srishti, manifestation. Manifestation is manifested. Manifestation is sustained. Manifestation is regenerated. Manifestation is pulled out of delusion. Manifestation is liberated. Vamadeva phase. Srishti. Sustenance is manifested. Sustenance is sustained. Sustenance is regenerated. Sustenance is pulled out of delusion. Sustenance is liberated. Agora phase. Regeneration is manifested. Regeneration is sustained. Regeneration is regenerated. Regeneration is pulled out of delusion. Regeneration is liberated. Tat Purusha phase. Delusion is manifested. Delusion is sustained. Delusion is regenerated. Delusion is deluded, pulled out of delusion, and delusion is liberated. Ishana phase. Anugraha is manifested. Anugraha is sustained. Anugraha is regenerated. Anugraha is pulled out of delusion. Anugraha is liberated. Paramashiva, who is gone down as His Divine Holiness Bhagavan Nityananda Paramashivam. His Divine Holiness Bhagavan Nityananda Paramashivam is a reviver of Kailasha, the ancient enlightenment civilization, the great cosmic borderless Hindu nation. His Divine Holiness Bhagavan Nityananda Paramashivam is an avatar from and supreme pontiff of Hinduism. His Divine Holiness Bhagavan Nityananda Paramashivam has made the science of power manifestation, yoga, temple-based university for the humanity. Sovereign Order of Kailasha, led by His Divine Holiness Bhagavan Nityananda Paramashivam, and Nityananda Order of monks, nuns, and Hindu diasporas are working for the global peace and to give superconscious breakthrough to humanity. Nityananda Hindu University, world's largest extended with extended campus in 150 countries, is collecting, organizing, preserving, time capsuling, decoding, spreading, and reviving 20 million source book of Hinduism, and 64 arts, science like Ayurveda, music, dance, sculpting, astrology, Vastu, and many more are revived. His Divine Holiness Bhagavan Nityananda Paramashivam is 293rd Guru Maha Sannidhanam of Shamalapita Sarvanyapita, ancient apex body of Hinduism, and present emperor of Suryavamsa Surangi Samrajyam. His Divine Holiness Bhagavan Nityananda Paramashivam has survived the worst prosecution of multiple assassination attempts on person and character by anti-Hindu elements. Paramashiva, who has come down as our Guru Swamiji, has given the world the science of power manifestation, which is authentic, time-tested, scientific, and foolproof. The Shastra Pramana, the Veda Agama, the eternal, unchangeable truth, revealed in the source scriptures. The Apta Pramanas, or the experience of the Rishis, Munis, Ganas, Nanamars, Alvars, Siddhas, and Yogis. The authority of Hinduism, who are scientists and time-tested and verified the science of power manifestation. Atma Pramanas are the avatars who land on the planet Earth to raise the superconscious being on planet Earth. His Divine Holiness Bhagavan Nityananda Paramashivam, this millennium avatar, personal experience of power manifestation. Shakshi Pramana, or the experience of millions of disciples, devotees, followers, initiated into the science by Bhagavan himself. Shastra Pramana. Shastra Pramana is from Vijnana Bhairava Tantra, Sutra 48, Dharana 25. Pramana. Yes, so beautifully Bhagavan has given the whole sutra translated. Visualize that your body is enclosed, supported by your skin surface, and there is nothing that exists inside the skin. It is empty. By such restful awareness, one cognizes and attains the knower of the whole body substance, who is the source essence, Paramashiva, who cannot be known. So beautiful, Bhagavan says, how you unclutch even from this body, even the person, this body as the second person and third person, to understand that you are not the body, you are not the mind, but you are the restful awareness, the consciousness, the Paramashiva space in you, the Paramashanta Swarupa. Bhagavan again and again says so beautifully how you are more and more in the space of oneness with Paramashiva, melting with Paramashiva, understanding the higher reality that you are Paramashiva, and more unclutching from whatever you know as you are, and whatever you know as your identity, the inner identity and the outer identity, dropping that completely and being in complete oneness with Paramashiva. Beautifully, the story says, Krishna once asked the parents and the kids to surrender completely, and the parents were so beautifully in oneness with Krishna. One day Arjuna asked him, who was the greatest devotee of you? And Arjuna was waiting for an answer that it would be him. But Krishna said, there is a king and you should come and see this king, and See how they live. So beautiful. Arjuna wanted to know who could be more than Arjuna, who has sacrificed his life for Krishna and doing only what Krishna says, living Krishna's word to extreme. Who could be more than that? And he goes to this king place with Krishna and sees what is happening. Krishna asked the king and his wife and his son to come. His son was 5 years old. And so beautifully, Krishna says, okay, the king to cut the body of the child, and he says the child, one half I need, the right side of the body I need, and the child should not cry. And everybody were taken by shock as Krishna, who is the most lovable, compassionate, is asking the king to cut a 5-year-old boy with his wife, and asked the king, told the king that the child should not cry. The king just surrenders again everything and says, I will do that. He lifts the sword to cut his son, and suddenly he saw his son, left eye was weeping. And Krishna simply said to stop the whole process. I said, I told you the child should not cry. Why is his left eye weeping? So he asked, Krishna asked the child of 5 years why he was weeping. And so beautifully the child replies, he says that Krishna asked only one half of my body. So the other half of my body is weeping because it was not accepted by Krishna. The surrender was not good enough. Hearing this, Arjuna understood how he had lived. If 5-year-old kid had lived, how the parents would have lived the life, surrendering every moment, every thought, every action to just Krishna's space. Again and again, living the space of Paramashiva as your only and original and only thought current. Simply, Bhagavan says, you will be as consciousness relieved from all the mind and body attachment, identity, whatever you know as yours. So beautifully here he says, there is nothing existing inside the skin. It is empty. By such restful awareness, and one cognizing that will attain all that needs to be known about his body. The Shastra Pramana so beautifully describes that. The Apta Pramana. Apta Pramana, there was a beautiful temple, Thayumanavar. One day, one lady was fully pregnant and she was about to deliver a baby. And she called her mother to come. The mother stayed the other side of the river. And the river was really flooding and she could not cross the river. So she prayed to the Thayumanavar, Shiva's temple, and Shiva himself comes as a old mother and delivers the baby and takes care of her and then leaves. When she asked the mother, so beautiful, when she asked the mother, who is that who came? If it was not you, they understood Paramashiva himself had come. The Atma Pramana, in all the programs, Bhagavan has beautifully healed millions of people, millions of devotees, disciples, followers, and such a beautiful, authentic scientific records have been monitored from the beginning of the program to end of the program, how they got. Sorry for the technical glitch. Bhagavan himself has beautifully given us the ultimate space of healing, and millions of people have been blessed. The mitochondria energy, the cell energy goes to 1300%, when they attend Bhagwan's program and get blessed and initiation, which is not happening unless they're going to a chemotherapy, which is so negative and so not good for the body. Only then the mitochondria cell energy raises to that level. But Bhagwan's presence, Bhagwan's initiation, the Mahavakya and power manifestation raises you to the ultimate possibility of the human potential. Here, millions of devotees, disciples experience Shakshi Pramanas. She says the blood group of Reena correctly after her birth scan in the Kailash courtyard. And here, the other disciple says the power of body scanning. Swamiji perfectly revealed about my body and healing also happened. Here, this devotee even scanned the dog and healed the dog so beautifully. Now, let's start the round one. Let's sit straight, scan our own body, and also increase the blood flow in our palm. So as we scan, we'll see the blood flow increasing in our palm. Now, let's sit straight with the head, neck, and spine in a straight line. Have a paper and pen. Whatever gets revealed in your third eye, simply keep writing it down. We'll verify in the second round when you scan your partner. So now remember Paramashiva in your third eye. Bring your awareness again and again to the third eye. Whenever your awareness is not in the third eye, we are living unconscious. Bhagwan beautifully says, your guru, when he did not sit for Nirvikalpa Samadhi meditation for 10 hours, he said, it's not possible for me. Simply he tied his hands and legs and his head, hair, so that he doesn't fall asleep, and put him in a room and locked him up. He says very clearly, if you have 10 hours of sleep, you will experience half an hour of deep sleep. Same way, 10 hours if you sit for meditation, half an hour you will have the Nirvikalpa Samadhi experiences. So it's very important, continuously 24/7, remembering Paramashiva in your third eye and chanting the Mahavakya will raise yourself into the Paramashiva space. Absolute unclutching being your lifestyle. Anything and everything that thought gives us, simply start unclutching from that. It is not you. That identity is not you. The understanding you have is not you. Whatever you know as you is still the mind which is giving you the identity, which is not you. Just keep unclutching from the whole thing. Complete completion, understanding this world is mithya. It is just collapsing. How Bhagwan says, the whole order, the world order, old world order is collapsing, and completely it is new world order is happening. The new consciousness is going to be the way of lifestyle. Whether it is currency, which is a Mahamaya, Bhagwan says, or your security, people around you, or people you thought were your way to how you lead your life, all are melting down. They are falling apart. They are collapsing, and completely the world is collapsing in terms of delusion. It is just removing the delusion out of our life and bringing us to the reality that only consciousness is the pure source of energy where we can experience the reality. Here Bhagwan says, when you break the boredom and tiredness and do the hard work and continuously be in the unclutched space, and you experience the oneness with Paramashiva and declaring again and again, Paramashiva is your only strength. Again and again, whatever small difficulties or whatever the large difficulties, it is very important. You again and again declare, Paramashiva, you make it happen for me. You have a simple prayer, Bhagwan will make it happen. Surrendering our identity and asking Bhagwan for help is the ultimate way of making the reality happen. And chanting the Mahavakya from your navel center, the whole being vibrating with the Mahavakya, Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Now we'll play this oneness capsule for 10 minutes, and Mahavakya. You can chant along and intensely unclutch. Remember Paramashiva in your third eye and chant with a deep listening for 10 minutes. Whatever gets revealed, please make a note and take a video recording of your palm so that at the end of the Mahavakya, you can see how it has changed your palm. So let's start intensely chanting Om Nityananda Paramashivoham.
Let you all open all your three eyes and manifest powers of Mahasadashiva. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. 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 Shivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. 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 Om
Nityanandam. So beautiful, whatever Paramashiva has revealed, what you know down. Now in the second round, let's start scanning the other partner. Make a partner, explain to the partner that you're doing body scanning, and whatever the partner is also revealing about you, you can verify what you have written. Whatever you have written down, your partner should be revealing, and whatever they have written down, you can reveal. So you can make partner. If you don't have anybody to make partner, you can do a scanning of the other person. Perfectly fine. Ask them to write down first, and then you start the scanning. And let's make sure at the end of it, we'll ask for the testimonial video and ask them to post it. So let's sit straight with the head, neck, and spine in a straight line. Remember Paramashiva in your third eye. Again and again, bring your awareness to your third eye, living out of third eye that everything is a manifestation of Paramashiva is going to make your reality more beautiful. Absolute unclutching and constantly complete completion, that whatever you know as you, the knowledge, the impression of it, and everything, the idea, views, everything, the identity, the yours, Bhagavan beautifully says, mine, all that we cherish and hold, complete with that. All that is not you, and it not going to come with you nor fulfill you. Be very clear. Nothing that you perceive from this world can fulfill or complete you or make you understand of anything, because it's completely in your dream that you are perceiving whatever you're seeing. Complete from that, complete completion from that reality, and unclutch completely, absolute unclutch, to recognize your absolute infinite possibility. So ferociously breaking from the boredom and tiredness, the self-doubt, self-denial, self-hatred, constantly throwing tantrum in us. Bhagavan said extreme tantrum will be happening, and the intensity is going to increase and peak in December 14th. More and more confusion, more and more chaos. The thinking style, everything is going to lead us into more mess. Before that, we can learn the science of unclutching, science of being in Paramashanta Swarupa, science of breaking the boredom and tiredness will lead us to the ultimate space. I am Paramashiva. The simple integrity and simple obedience to the Guru is the only thing we need to hold. Surrender and ask Bhagavan for your help. And beautifully, your strength is only Paramashiva when you declare that as your integrity, asking for you to experience the higher reality. Simply that seeking and gratitude will become reality. Now let's chant the Mahavakya intensely from the navel center with a deep listening. So the Shanta, your energy center, opens up and you experience the oneness with Paramashiva. The higher frequency happens and manifests as powers. Now, again, remember Paramashiva in your third eye and contemplate on the great truth that Bhagavan has given now. Again and again, complete completion and unclutch from whatever you know as yours and only declare your appointment with Paramashiva inside you. The inner space is filled with Paramashiva's darshan, melting in Bhagavan's presence, again and again melting down, will raise you into the new conscious space. Chanting the Mahavakya intensely and continuously, unbroken, will make us manifest as a japa japa, constantly happening in our throat, unconsciously, consciously happening in our throat, will break this pandemic fatigue. So let's start the power manifestation intensely chanting Om Nityananda Paramashivoham for next 10 minutes along with the Mahavakya and Oneness Capsule. We'll play the Oneness Capsule now.
I bless you all. Let you all open all your three eyes. Manifest the powers of Mahasadashiva. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. 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 नित्यानंद परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ 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 Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda 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 Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda.
Nityanandam, so beautiful. Please verify with your partner, and if possible, you can do a testimonial and your partner can do a testimonial and share it with the world. Paramashiva clearly says, enriching, unclutching, and then enriching. More and more when we contribute to others' life is when the yours, mine get disappeared, the identity get disappeared, and more of you, the Paramashiva space becomes real. The contribution to others' life is how we exist as Aham. Otherwise, we are only into the identity who we are. If we think we are constantly getting something and making even the power manifestation, if we do not share, it is only as a who we are, we can manifest so many powers. It again becomes the conscious ego in us, the delusion in us. Instead of that, when we start sharing to the world how Paramashiva has manifested through us, again and again in our own words, we are reiterating the space of Aham in us, pulling us out of delusion. And manifestation is a way of life. Extreme manifestation is extreme causing, Bhagavan says. Simply manifesting the higher and higher reality, it becomes the reality itself, your potentiality, Bhagavan says. So make sure you share all these in tinyurl.com/power manifestation. And more keep participating to experience more deeper and deeper power manifestation. how we spend 14, 20 years to learn and become one professional. Here, at least spend few months intensely manifesting powers. Suddenly, you'll see a huge breakthrough simply happening in you as manifestation is your lifestyle. So, share your testimonial, your powerful cognition to the world, and millions will be enriched and be caused for Bhagavan's satsangs, Paramashivam programs, Ganas programs. So, make sure you mention all the links when you share this in social media. Please share in tinyurl.com/power manifestation. With this, let's surrender all the power manifestation and powerful cognition to Bhagavan's lotus feet. Again and again, when we surrender to Bhagavan's lotus feet, we raise our frequency. And with the deep seeking and gratitude, ask Bhagavan to make your Paramashiva space as reality. Again and again, from deep humbleness and gratitude, when you ask, it becomes reality. With that, let's remember Paramashiva in our third eye and end this with Purna Mantra. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purna Purnamudashyate Purnasya Purnamataya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Tat Sat Sarvam Bhagavate Sri Nityananda Paramashivam Padukarpanamastu. Om Nityanandam. Thank you, Swamiji. Thank you, each and every one of you, to participate today. Make sure your friends and family don't miss the Kotiyat session. And if possible, the Ganas program, even if you want to contribute little of your time, it's going to really be in such amazing space for you. Bhagavan says Ganas program is his breathing space. Just imagine being in his breathing space. That is the ultimate that you can experience, especially when pandemic is going on. So don't miss the chance to be in the Ganas program and sign up today. And experiencing Bhagavan is the ultimate gift for each and everyone on planet Earth. So see you in the Ganas program, Paramashivam Ganas program. Thank you, Nityanandam.